swallowed up in history over us, like thinking about, you know, the internet's kind of a beautiful but also a curseful thing. And so I think it's really important that we do some digging and we figure out all the bad things that are going on, which should be pretty simple, and we don't make the same mistakes again for the future. And here's a song called Chitlin Cook a Time in Cheatham County, not in a fiddle tune, but in a New Orleans sort of style.